Welcome back to the brand new course all about fluency, where I help you figure out how to make your sounds nice and smooth, how to sound like a native speaker for English. Now, if you're ready, let's continue with where we left off. This is lesson number 2, and today's topic is about introducing yourself, like I said in the last video. Now, how do we go about doing this? Well, we focus on intonations, pauses, and blending, right? We want to blend things together to sound nice and smooth. Imagine the sound of speaking as this wave, okay? We are going to try and maintain this pattern, okay? Let's try it with our first sentence. So obviously we're introducing ourselves, and our first sentence is, my name is. My name is Chris. My name is Chris. But that sounds terrible, right? We can't just say, my name is Chris. We want to blend things. So if we think about it, my name, see how my mouth doesn't really change? My name. That means we could probably blend it. My name, my name. See how we're keeping that vibration up in my nose? We did this in the last lesson, actually. The vibration is going to help us blend that sound. Listen again. Mine, mine. See how I brought my tongue up for the N? Mine, my name. My name. My name is. See, we're keeping that vibration going, right? My name is. My name is. My name is. My name is Chris. The pause before your name. My name is Chris. My name is Chris. See that? We stopped the sound, but we blended those first three. My name is Chris. My name is Chris. You try it, okay? Try it with your name. My name is, okay? So let's move on to our second sentence, which is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now, if you listened really close, you kind of heard me blend it already. So what can we blend? Well, meet, nice to meet you, 4 sounds. Remember, we have 4 sounds here, and we're gonna get rid of them, okay? We're gonna make them less sounds. Nice to meet you. Meet you. Oh, we can drop the T from meet and make it meet. See, I stopped that T. Meet you. Okay, cool. There's our first one. Meet you. We blended those together. So, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It doesn't feel flowy, does it? Nice to meet you. Meet you's nice, but nice to, really blocky. Can we put nice and to together? Nice to. Nice. I carry that S sound from nice into to. Nice to. Nice to meet you. Ooh, see that? Nice to meet you. There's our wave. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Really slow. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Cool. Nice to meet you. Now, for the third sentence, we're going to tell you where we're from, right? I am from And most people will say the country name, but if you're in some place like you're in a state or a country already and you're from there, you might say a location, like a city name or something. I'm from Shanghai. I'm from Boston. I'm from, I don't know, Chicago. I don't know why anyone would claim that, but some people like that. So let's try this. I am from. Can we blend this? Sure. We can take I and am and smush it together into I'm. Exactly. We're going to reduce that down into I'm. I'm from. So we went from 3 distinct sounds to 2. I'm from. Okay. So I'm from where? I'm from Michigan. I'm from California. I'm from South Africa. I'm from China. Okay? I'm from Korea. Wherever you're from. But I'm from I'm from where? Right here. That's the bottom of the next wave. I'm from China. I'm from Korea. I'm from South America. Cool. That one was pretty easy, right? We just reduced I and am into one sound. Now, the fourth sentence we're going to practice is I live in. I live in, well, this could be anything. I live in a city name. I live in, well, if you said a house, that's weird. You know, I live in an apartment. Unless someone asks you that, this isn't a normal answer. So it should be where you live. I live in Shenzhen, right? I live in Austin. Okay, the name of the city. So let's practice with that. I live in Austin. I live in Austin. Can we blend that? Yes. Live in. Watch my mouth. I live in. Vin. We turned it into VIN. Instead of live in, we turned it into live in. Live in. We blended that together. I live in what? I live in Texas. I live in North Carolina. I'm trying to go through all these new places. I live in the Philippines. No, we don't want a country, right? I'm from the Philippines. I live in Manila. Mm. I live in Manila. I live in Manila. Cool. I live in Manila. That actually blends really, really nice. I live in Manila. So try it with yours. I live in, okay? Now let's go to our fifth sentence. I work as a, or I work as an. Depends on whatever you do. So let's try it with first. I work as a teacher. Okay. I work as how do we blend this? Work well, if it's an that's easy. As I work I work as, we can blend that too. I work as as work as a work as a work as a. Oh, I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. I work as a doctor. I work as a lawyer. I work as a garbage man. I work as a nurse. I work as a, I'm trying to think of other jobs right now, struggling to come up with other ones. I work as a stewardess. There you go. I work as a, right? The K is such a strong sound. So that's going to jump out. I work as a. I work as a stewardess. I work as a stewardess. So try it with yours. What is your job? And say, I work as a, perfect. And our sixth sentence is, I like to do something, right? I like to do what? What do you like to do? But first, before that, let's see if we can blend it together. See how much my mouth moves? It doesn't really blend. We can carry sound, but is there a better blend? I like, no, like to, like, ooh, that sounds good. I like to. That sounds like the end of some words, huh? So we can use that. To. I like to. I like to. There's our blend. I like to. I like to. Bingo. We've got it. I like to. Now, what do you like to do? I like to swim. I like to swim. I like to dance. Ooh. So the next word is going to change this blend. So let's look at I like to dance. D's are really hard. Hard sound, right? So I like to. I like to, ooh, to dance. It sets me up for the D, right? So we're going to use the to, O sound. I like to dance. I like to dance. Now, if I said swim, swim is not really a hard sound. I like to swim. That's really difficult. So how did I say that nice and smooth? I didn't say to. Listen again. I like to swim. Tuh. I said tuh. We can cheat with that sound to connect better. So if we have a hard sound like the D from dance, I like to, I like to, I like to dance. I like to dance. we use a to. And if it's a soft sound, like an S, I like to, I like to ski. I like to snowboard. I like to swim. Cool, huh? As we keep going through this series, you're going to start to develop an understanding. I'm not going to explain it to you directly. I want you to feel these shapes that you make with sound. I want you to start thinking as a shape. This will help you so much more than me telling you a rule on how to blend. Because then you have to remember rules, but you can feel a shape, you can feel a pattern. It just makes sense. It's a rhythm that we're going to learn. So I will see you for the next lesson, which is all about asking simple questions. Now, if you have any questions, leave me a message and I'll see if I can help you, okay? But I'll see you for lesson number 3, all about simple questions. Goodbye.